Our solar system feels like a cozy, familiar neighborhood, but sometimes we get a visitor from far, far away. An object from another star system, a true interstellar traveler, comes hurtling through our cosmic backyard. These aren't just rocks, they're messengers, carrying secrets from their home star and clues about how other solar systems are born. Imagine a bottle washed ashore from an unknown land. By studying it, we learn about its origins and journey. These visitors are rare, golden opportunities to peek into the vast universe beyond our own bubble. For most of history, seeing something from another star was pure science fiction, until Oumuamua arrived in 2017. It was our first confirmed interstellar guest, a cosmic enigma that left us with more questions than answers. These objects are time capsules, frozen relics from distant stellar nurseries. They offer us a direct line to the galaxy at large, pristine samples of the building blocks of other planetary systems. Each one is a new chapter in the grand story of the cosmos. That brings us to today, October 23rd, 2025. The cosmic doorbell has rung again. Another visitor, 3I Atlas, has just completed a dramatic flyby of Mars. But this time, it didn't just pass by. It left something behind. Something unexpected, mysterious, and electrifying for the scientific community. This isn't just another story about a distant rock. It's a cosmic puzzle that's landed right on our doorstep, one that could change our understanding of what wanders between the stars. So, let's dive in. Let's explore what 3I Atlas is, and the incredible secret it was hiding. Who is this new cosmic celebrity, 3I Atlas? The 3I means it's the third interstellar object ever confirmed. Atlas comes from the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System in Hawaii, which discovered it. Unlike local objects, 3I Atlas came in at a steep angle and blistering speed, clear signs it wasn't bound by our sun's gravity. Astronomers traced its origin toward the Vega constellation, but it's been traveling for millions, maybe billions, of years. Unlike Oumuamua, which was rocky, 3 Atlas looked more like a comet, a dirty snowball with a faint coma as it neared the sun. Its path was a gravitational slingshot, swooping in from above the planets, passing inside Jupiter's orbit, and heading for Mars. This gave our space telescopes and Mars orbiters a rare, close look. We pointed everything at it, Hubble, James Webb, and Mars orbiters, analyzing its makeup and behavior. Before this week, 3I Atlas was already exciting, our first chance to study an interstellar comet up close. It suggested that the ingredients for planets, and maybe life, might be common across the galaxy. But the real story wasn't what 3I Atlas was. It was about what it brought with it, hidden in its shadow. The flyby was just the beginning. Something extraordinary was about to be revealed. The universe had another surprise in store, and we were ready to catch it. The main event for 3I Atlas was its close encounter with Mars, a few million kilometers away, but a cosmic near miss. Our fleet of Mars orbiters and probes turned their instruments toward this fleeting visitor. From Mars, 3I Atlas was a much brighter, more detailed target than from Earth. They analyzed its light and gases, searching for organic molecules or unusual isotopes. As it neared Mars, the planet's gravity nudged its path, while the comet shed gas and dust, creating a temporary tail. For a brief moment, Mars and its moons passed through the outer wisps of this interstellar material. We were, in a real sense, touching something from another star. Scientists coordinated observations for a complete 3D view of the encounter. But the most exciting discovery was the one nobody expected. After 3I Atlas passed Mars, scientists dug into the data. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter's high-rise camera, pointed at the comet, spotted something strange. Trailing behind 3I Atlas was a group of distinct objects, solid bodies, several meters across, flying in formation. This was completely unexpected. A comet's tail should be a diffuse cloud, not a convoy of boulders. Initial skepticism gave way to confirmation as other instruments, like the James Webb Space Telescope, also detected these objects. Webb's infrared eyes confirmed multiple solid bodies with their own faint heat signatures. The discovery was real. 3i Atlas wasn't traveling alone. It had brought companions, at least 9 of them. Suddenly, the story was about a mysterious convoy from another star system. Where did they come from? How did they stay together for millions of years? The discovery challenged everything we thought we knew about comets. It was a genuine, we've never seen that before moment. The universe had delivered a baffling new mystery, and scientists everywhere were hooked. Discovering these hidden objects was a triumph of modern astronomical detective work. The first clue came from HiRise's long-exposure images, revealing faint points of light trailing the comet. To confirm, scientists used image stacking, enhancing real objects and filtering out noise. The 9 objects became clearer, moving in perfect unison with 3i Atlas. The James Webb Space Telescope provided the smoking gun, infrared observations showing these were solid, thermally distinct bodies. Webb's data estimated their size, between 10 and 50 meters across. This multi-pronged approach, close-up views from Mars, deep data from Webb, was key. It's a perfect example of how our space observatories work together to achieve what none could do alone. The HiRise team spotted the anomaly. Webb confirmed its reality. It was a beautiful collaboration, a testament to human ingenuity. The evidence was clear. Now, the real mystery began. So, what are these things? The leading theory fragments of 3i Atlas itself, perhaps broken off during its journey or a past stellar encounter. But if they're just fragments, why haven't they drifted apart over millions of years? Their tight formation suggests either a recent breakup or some unknown force holding them together. Another idea, they could be primordial bodies, formed alongside 3i Atlas, a miniature solar system ejected together. That would be a revolutionary discovery, hinting that comets might not always travel alone. Exotic theories abound, but so far, all evidence points to a natural, if baffling, phenomenon. The truth may reveal a new piece of cosmic physics. The discovery of companion objects with 3i Atlas challenges everything we thought we knew about comets. Our models predicted solitary travelers, not clusters surviving interstellar journeys. This forces us to rethink cometary fragmentation and the dynamics of interstellar travel. It could reshape our theories of planet formation. Maybe comets form as clusters, not just single bodies. Most importantly, it reminds us not to draw universal conclusions from a single solar system. The galaxy's population of objects is far more diverse than we imagined. One baffling observation can topple decades of theory. Science advances when the universe surprises us. What does this mean for us? It's a reminder of our connection to the wider universe. The galaxy is dynamic, and pieces of other star systems are always passing through. This discovery strengthens the idea that life's ingredients could travel between stars. It also has practical implications. If a cluster like this ever threatened Earth, we'd face a shotgun blast, not a single impact. Understanding these clusters is now vital for planetary defense. The discovery will drive new searches for interstellar objects and inspire new telescopes and missions. Each visitor adds a crucial data point to our understanding of the galaxy. Ultimately, it's about the human spirit of exploration. Discoveries like this ignite curiosity and remind us there are still great mysteries to solve. The universe is calling. Are we ready to answer? The story of 3i Atlas and its companions is just beginning. Scientists will spend years unraveling its secrets, and future missions may chase down the next interstellar visitor. This discovery is a powerful argument for investing in curiosity-driven science. The greatest breakthroughs often come from unexpected places. We must keep building telescopes and probes because we never know what we'll find. Every time we look up, we learn something new about the cosmos and ourselves. These discoveries connect us to something larger than ourselves. The sky belongs to everyone. The mystery is a human one. So keep looking up. The universe is speaking, and its story is far from over. All we have to do is listen and keep exploring.